All right, today we're talking about another one of our products from Pestrol, chemical-free pest control solutions, of course. It's the Sleep Easy Indoor Mosquito Trap. It's new to the range and it's certainly a big improvement on our previous product that we had. It is power operated, which you will see from the bottom. Plugs in nicely there. Furthermore, when the mosquitoes are caught, you'll see that it gets collected into the bottom component. Very easy to use. The reason why this trap is so good is we all want to have a good night's sleep, and nothing worse than getting woken up with mosquitoes in the night. We've done a fair bit of study on this, and whilst there's a few other products I've seen around the world, we found the frequency that the LED light put out for this product proved very, very satisfactory for getting rid of mosquitoes inside. In fact, I tested it last summer and it worked a treat. So just to show you how the product works, the first option is an LED light that you'll see, and it's got a very small whisper quiet fan. The mosquitoes will come towards the blue LED light, and then they will be sucked into the dry storage chamber internally to the mosquito trap. On top of the fact that it's a mosquito trap, it also has some other options. You have the ability to push the button for just a normal lamp and a slightly less powered lamp. On the video it might come through as shaking. That's because we're using an iPhone and the quality is probably not as good, but it does not shake and it's just a nice dim light. The final feature to be aware of is this feature, which you can have, which is like a light sensor. Switch it off so it's not running during the day when mosquitoes are not at their busiest, or certainly when they're feeding. As soon as it gets dark, and I'll simulate that by just putting my hand around the sensor, it'll switch on. So certainly before you go to bed, the unit will go on, and that's when it catches the majority of the mosquitoes. We find that this is a particularly good product, and it's been looked in by a lot of our staff who tried it out last summer, as well as a lot of our customers we just gave away as free samples. And this is without question our best indoor mosquito trap yet. Thanks for watching another Pestrol product, and if you need any assistance, feel free to check us out at pestrol.com.au.